This task involves smelling various odors one at a time and then trying to identify them. The odors that you will smell are chosen from a variety of foods and objects that people experience in everyday life. We're using scratch and sniff cards to present the odors. Take the scratcher and scratch the card. Smell it right after you scratch it, and then look at the pictures on the screen. Touch the picture that best shows the odor that you smelled on the card. A new set of pictures will then appear on the screen, and you will be asked to identify the odor on the next card. If you want to change your last answer, touch the Go Back button. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.